Meaning of hinge.
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 Hinge. Hinge is a noun that refers to a movable joint or mechanism that connects two solid objects and allows them to pivot or rotate around a fixed point. Hinges are commonly used in doors, gates, lids, and other devices that require movement. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, such as metal, plastic, wood, and brass. Hinges can also be used metaphorically to describe a pivotal or crucial point in a process or event, where the outcome may swing in one direction or another based on certain factors. In summary, hinges are essential components for movement and function in various applications.